guys, so I thought it would be fun to do a really cute gray 90s kind of inspired makeup look. So yeah, let's get ready. I am just using a pore filler and then my Fenty Beauty foundation. I finished it after this tutorial. I was really sad. I tried milking it as long as I could, but you know, it's not good to keep foundations on for so long, like they expire. So yeah, I had to finish it even though it was my favorite. But yeah, I'm just giving myself a matte complexion. I will be going in with highlight later. I felt like doing like a 90s like pop princessy type of makeup look. Like I actually got inspiration from Tyra Banks on this makeup look. And yes, a Tyra look will be coming soon. I have plenty of Tyra looks that I want to do. So she is coming soon. I am concealing my under eye circles. I've been having bad ones lately. So, and then I am blending this concealer out with my beauty blender. Well, this isn't a beauty blender, it's a knockoff. Same stuff. Then I'm using my Airspun powder, and I'm gonna heavily bake because the gray eyeshadows that I'm gonna be using do have fallout. Anything dark has fallout, so yeah. But make sure to wipe that bake off. And I'm actually showing how I do my brows on camera today. You see that nice auburny brown shade right there? I use that to fill in my eyebrows. And I just did my hair. Like literally this is fresh hair. I'm still kind of doing the same routine. I'm doing my roots at a 30-volt developer with the golden blonde, and also I'm using red cedar brown from Clay Roll still. So same routine. I'm obsessed. I still love the hair color. So I just fill in my brows because they get really sparse. Now we're moving on to the fun part. I'm using this color called Stealth by Makeup Geek, and it's just a grayish eyeshadow. It's a little dark. It was actually too dark for what I was going for, but I do go in and lighten it up. And I am taking a piece of paper and just fluffing that out because I really wanted like a winged out smoky eye. Yeah, so just make sure that you're doing that and blending it out. And I'm not going to show you guys the other eye. It's obvious you do the same thing on both eyes. So it's going to take a lot of blending or it's going to look patchy. I'm just taking this really big eyeshadow palette from BH, and I'm taking this light shadow here and placing it because like I said, it was too dark. I didn't like how dark it looked at first. I was like, why? But yeah, I mean, there's no rules with makeup, you know, but I mean, I didn't want that. I'm also going to do a really cool navy blue 90s inspired, well, it's actually going to be Y2K, early 2000s inspired makeup tutorial. So give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you guys are excited for that because I am. It's very heavily inspired by like Kelly Rowland and Mandy Moore. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you're looking forward to that navy early 2000s smoky eye. So then I'm going to just run that gray underneath, and then taking my steel liner, I'm giving myself a baby wing. And yeah, I just was really feeling like those smoldering gray Tyra eyes that she wore a lot in the 90s. That's just what I was going for. And then I'm taking Weirdo by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and lining my waterline. My eyes cannot handle liner on my waterline anymore. Like they just water for hours. It's so annoying. And then I'm taking these natural lashes because I felt like my real lashes weren't up to par with the look. And yeah, so they're very natural, so they're not overbearing. But now I'm just taking a creamy blush right here, and it was very pigmented. I was like, whoa. But blush was pretty pigmented back then, so feel free to pack it on. Yeah, so what's one of your favorite memories from the 90s? If you were even born yet. I know a few people were born in 2000. I feel old when I say that. I did put a little bit of highlighter on, you guys, because I felt like I looked too matte and boring. So I put some highlight on. So for the lips, I am using Strip Down by MAC. I went to the drugstore, guys. I did this for you. I went to try to find a brown lip liner. I mean, no, not a lip liner. A brown lipstick. And I eventually do show you guys the brown lipstick that I used. But it was not what I envisioned. It wasn't a cocoa color. So if you guys know any good, like, brown lipsticks, please let me know. Drugstore. I'm using Max Hue, and that's going to give you that icy Pam Anderson type of look. So that's the first lip option. I definitely like the nude lip a lot, but the brown lip that I'm going to show you guys in a bit is also a look. I felt like this looked good with the purple. Very 90s right now. I feel like Katherine Heigl. This look is very Katherine Heigl. So I'm using this color 560 by Maybelline. I went to the drugstore to buy a brown lipstick. This looked really brown. I didn't try it on my hand because people like that ick, you know. So this looks like a ginger brown color, so I was really upset. I don't want something that has ginger tones. I'm looking for something like an icy mocha brown color, or just a true brown. I feel like they don't sell those type of lipsticks anymore. But if you guys know any, leave it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which lip option you liked more, and I will see you in the next nostalgic video. Bye!